More in common with kids. Okay, ready?
Not really.
Yeah, really? Really?
I should only know I'm 17 while he's filming this video, so this is like a world bit of sad. So whoever's watching this, whoever likes 10-year-old he's giving this to help, I'm so sorry. You have to hear my voice, and this is sad for both of us, so don't worry.
All right. So.
Are you going to send that to Harper?
The first grader? Yeah. Okay, so right here.
Do you have anyone like in 7th grade? That's when I think I learned this.
Let me tell you about Connor.
I don't want to worry about Connor.
Connor is a boy I used to meet at his school, actually, during the day, at his school. And there was this conference room, and there was this whiteboard. And we used to work on the whiteboard and stuff. And I did this to him one time. He didn't really know what I was doing. But I put him over here, right at the number 3. Here, he was standing right here. And actually, I'm going to do it like this. All right.
He's starting the lesson over.
Here. And I said, all right, Connor, what is -1 minus 5? Right? And what I did, that's Connor right there.
-6.
What we did, you don't know, is here's Steve right here.
Wait, Steve, I understand with the 22 thing. You don't have to do this anymore.
Okay, no, because this has been a thing that's come up over and over again. And you go on the calculator, but you can actually think about it. And it's weird at first, and it was weird at first for me, but then I kind of got it finally. But look, so he was sitting right here. And what I did was I just went up to him.
This is a real story.
Yes. And I shoved him really hard. Really, I went like this. He laughed. He left? He laughed. He was in 7th grade. 6th grade? 5th or 6th grade. Anyway, so shoved him in this direction.
I've shoved people.
So if it was -1 minus 5, I shoved him that way. If it was -1 plus 5, I shoved him the other way.
Mm-hmm.
You with me?
Mm-hmm.
So where did he end up? You just said it. Where did he end up?
He ended up being shoved.
To what?
That way.
Mm-hmm. And what number should he have ended up on mathematically, huh?
-6.
-6. All right, so that's where he should have ended up, right there. I don't know if it worked out that way. That's where he should have ended up. All right, but how can we do the shove thing by just looking at these numbers? If you think about the number line.
You know, when I solved that, I didn't even look at the number line, not to brag or anything.
You didn't? Okay, so.
You know how I did it?
How?
I've told you this maybe 1 trillion times.
Mm.
And you're always like, Ashley, no, don't do it that way.
Okay.
Keep, switch,
right.
flip.
Okay. But you remember like the ABC song? Like.
I remember what?
Like, what comes first, F or G?
F.
What comes first, I or K?
A-I.
See, so you're singing a song to get to the answer because you don't actually know how it works.
I can A, B, I cannot sing it.
Everybody's like you, by the way, so no one knows. No one actually knows the alphabet. Okay, so it's true. Just like nobody knows how to spell Wednesday without actually saying Wednesday.
That's how I learned it because I couldn't spell it either. And my teacher's like, just do Wednesday. I'm like, oh, Jesus.
So when you have the same sign, if you have like -3 minus 5, I think bigger. Now, you have the math dorks that are like, that's a negative number, that's smaller. I'm not thinking about that. I'm thinking I'm going to get the number 8. Right? So
it's -8, actually.
So I'm thinking bigger, right? If you have, same thing with like 3 plus 5.
It's 8.
Bigger, right? You get 8.
Sure.
Okay. Now, when you have opposite signs means you're going to subtract.
Mm-hmm.
You're not adding them at all. So if I had, if I put them right here, at -6, and I'm doing -6 plus 5, which way is it being pushed in if you're standing right here? Is it being pushed right or left?
Right.
It's being pushed right. But all this means is subtract the two numbers, take the sign of the bigger number. All right, so subtract the two numbers, take the sign of the bigger number. So what's its answer going to be?
It's going to be -1.
It's going to be -1. Right, so it's because this -6 will become a little bit more positive, and that 5 will become a little bit more negative. But who's going to win?
The 6.
The 6 is going to win. Yeah, because it's a bigger number. So quick review. What is negative 7 minus 20?
13.
No. Think of the push.
Negative 13.
No.
You said to subtract. Oh, we're doing a different kind of one. Never mind. Wait.
Oh my god.
Negative 27.
Look. What's this answer?
27.
Okay, same thing. Look. Same thing. See, what's his answer?
27.
Okay, same. This is the same sign as 27. This is the same sign, but you start off here and you just get shoved this way 20 more times. So you're going to be negative 27. Okay, so what about negative 30 plus 10?
Negative 20.
Negative 20. What about negative 30 minus 100?
The bag is in my possession. 70.
Mm.
Oh wait, no, you're right. It's negative 30.
Huh?
Negative 130.
Negative 130. If you think of it,
look, keep switch flip has been ingrained
I understand.
in my mind since
but
like sixth
it seems
grade.
to have 60% accuracy with you.
No,
yes,
it doesn't.
It does. It
You're
affects
a
your factoring.
liar.
It affects a lot of things.
No, it doesn't.
Yes.
It's just
And so,
it's just confusing when you have all those like
I know.
things.
But look, if you can think of the number line instead, and this is a new way of thinking, I know, but think of the number line. All right, and let's say you're at negative 500. Okay, so if I do negative 500, watch this. Minus 1,000.
Negative 1,500.
Right, and if you're just like, it's like this third grader that I know that she does the nines with her fingers, multiplication facts.
You told me this.
And
I never did it. I never learned that. Like all my teachers were like, just do it with your hands. I'm like, that makes no sense to me. I'll just memorize it.
Right, and so it's awful. And so, okay, let's try it again. Negative 20 minus. You have to say the whole time. Okay, when I put this over here, I want to hear. Okay, ready? Wait. This F sound. Ready? One, and then after you're done with the F sound, I want to hear the answer. Okay, ready? And go.
I'm so confused. What's happening?
What is this answer? Number line, negative 20.
No, what's 40 plus 20?
Okay, that's an awesome question. 60.
Oh, negative 60.
Yes, that was great. Okay, so what about we just bonded and you checked the time that took away from it?
Look,
right.
no, I thought my phone rang, but look how pretty this is.
It's very pretty. Okay.
He doesn't care.
What is this? Negative 30. I want the F sound.
I don't understand what that means. Can you like?
What's it? What means?
Does that mean like factor? I'm confused.
Just when you do the math. Just add you're an add or subtract. You can get the right answer. Ready? Oh, what the F sound?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha on this one. This time you just go ah. Okay, ready? And here we go.
Negative 80.
There you go.
Wait, I'm so confused.
Because you're saying under your breath, okay, switch, flip. But if you make a sound like you can't do.
I understand.
Just like the kids with the nines, and like I'll do this like timed multiplication thing with them on the computer, and they're like, and I'm like, can you do me a favor? Like what?
Why don't you just handcuff them?
No, I tell them to go like this and put their hands on their head.
But handcuffing's more fun.
And weird. Hey mom. Okay. Oh. Back from grocery shopping? Yeah.
I love that idea.
All right. So one more.
Then can I?
Yes. Ready? Bam. Bam.
A negative 1,100.
No, I don't even know where you got that from. But look, notice they have opposite signs.
Oh, not 1,100. I'm so dumb. I thought it was 700. 110.
No.
What?
Because notice they have opposite signs.
Okay, so this one.
Subtraction.
Yes, it's negative 10.
One more time. Subtraction.
Negative 20.
Subtraction.
Negative 30.
That's it.
Fuck
and why is it not positive? How come gonna bleep you out. So now, what about what about
Fuck.
what about
Don't listen to 10-year-old
what
like that.
about the? How come it's negative and how come it's not positive?
Because I was switching signs.
Because look, when you're over at -70, watch.
Oh my god, we've been filming this.
Look, when you're at -70, it's down here. When you're -70 on the number line, look. Are you watching?
Yeah.
And you go to 40,
Okay.
and you're gonna get to 0.
I get it.
Are you gonna get to 0?
Mm-mm.
Are you gonna remain in negative land or positive land?
Negative land, bitch.
Negative land. All right.
I have a fun little sticker coming.